Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Virgo, it's Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, Nine of Pentacles, King of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Queen of Swords, and Ten of Swords. I think you are very tired, Virgo. Maybe you have very strong emotions here, very heavy emotions. You have something in your heart right now. And emotions becomes like burden for you. You're feeling overburdened here, or you are feeling very sad here, and you want to take control of your situation here, and you want to take your power back here, and you want to start your life in a new way, new beginnings, new opportunities for you. Definitely you are going to take your power back, and yes, you will work on your finances. You will achieve this Nine of Pentacles. Emotionally and financially very independent person, you will become like this, Virgo. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Fool, Eight of Wands, and Hangman. Maybe in recent past things are not moving fast for you. You are feeling stuck, but you want to be in this full energy, going with the flow, living in the present moment, and you want to take leap of faith. Then present, Nine of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. So you are waiting for opportunities here. Maybe especially in career wise, you are waiting for opportunities, but you will receive definitely, because Knight of Pentacles is here. So there is some upgrade in your finances. There is financial stability and wish fulfillment for you. And for some, maybe you are waiting for some person, and for some, a brand new person is entering in your life. Then future, Five of Wands, Three of Wands, and Page of Cups. Maybe in your life, some area, maybe love or maybe work, there is some drama is going, maybe some competition is going. Right now you want to take off from the situation here, and but in relationship wise, you want positive growth, but you turn your back from the situation. But someone is coming to offer apology here, or someone is ready to offer this love to you, but this is a small offer, not a big offer. Yeah, in relationship wise, I am seeing some issues of arguments between you and your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Knight of Pentacles. Wow. So maybe they're thinking about stability with you. And Magician. So they are manifesting you for some. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. So their intentions. What's going on in your person's life? Page of Pentacles, King of Swords, Queen of Wands, and Eight of Wands. I think they want to communicate with you. They want to take action. Definitely they're thinking about to communicate with you here. Maybe in past they are being cold with you. Now they really want to open up. And they want to send some text. If they did hurt you, they want to say apology to you. Yeah, something happening between you and your person. Maybe lots of you, there is a big fight between you and your person. So the current feelings, Ace of Cups, Three of Wands, and Three of Swords. So definitely they do love you here because Ace of Cups is here. But right now lots of you, there is waiting game is going between you and your person. But your person is very, very sad without you because Three of Swords is here. Definitely they are heartbroken without you, Virgo. And their intentions, that Tower, Nine of Swords, and Three of Pentacles. So they are thinking about you a lot. And it is a Tower moment for them. Yeah, they're missing you very badly and they're thinking all the time. Yeah, they're thinking all the time about you. And now they really want to work on this relationship. And for some, you both could be colleagues. Now they really want to work on this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, they want stability. Right now your person is also healing from this pain because right now in their mind a lot of things are going, a lot of thinking is going. That's why they want to heal first and then they're ready to offer their cup of love to you under the deck, King of Cups. Yes, maybe they're realizing you both. Definitely they did hurt you. Now they're feeling sad without you. Two cards. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. I think you are doing your own thing. You are moving forward in your life, Virgo, and new opportunities for you. And for some, you also want new beginning with this person because you are feeling missed opportunity. And for some, you are feeling bored here. You're bored here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah, this connection, no contact. Yeah, definitely they did neglected you. Now you guarded up. Now they are suffering in silence here. Now they're realizing what they did to you. Yes, they cold shouldering you in past. Maybe they neglected you, they rejected you. Now you are on your power. Now you are guarded up. Now they're missing you a lot. Now they're feeling alone. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Virgo. Options. Yeah, for some, maybe your person have options here, decision time, and you are the only one for me. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. Luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius. And take time to breathe out. If you're doing a lot of work, this is the message for you. Take a break. And your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.